friends, this is a lens I am having in my hand right now. It is thicker at the center and thinner at the edges. It means, as per previous video definition, it is convex lens. And my today's topic is to tell you that why convex lens is known as converging glass or converging lens. Let us suppose that I am having this. I want to focus the rays of my tube light on the board. See what happened. It is this. You can see the image of tube light. I am taking it away. The image is getting blurred. When I am taking it towards, image is getting sharpened. Again blurred, again sharpened. Okay. Now, when I am moving it closer and closer, it is very clear. But when I am taking it much more nearer, it again gets blurred. Okay. So, there is a particular point where the image of tube is exactly clear. And if I will hold this lens in this situation for a large interval of time, all the rays of tube light gets focused. The similar activity we are going to learn today so as to learn converging nature of a convex lens. Okay. So hello friends, what is my today's topic? So as to teach you converging nature of convex lens. It can be done by using an activity in which we will try to focus the rays coming from sun at a point by placing a paper on the ground, focusing the image of the sun on the paper, concentrating, collecting all the rays of the sun on a single point, and then there will be a hole. So let's start today's activity. This is sun. Sun is so far at infinity. It means it is very, very far from our earth level, ground level, such that as compared to the focal length, it is at infinity. As it is at infinity, so rays coming from the sun are parallel. Parallel rays coming from sun. When these rays, which are parallel to each other, falls on the surface of a convex lens, they heat up the paper placed on the ground. How? By converging, by combining, by concentrating, by collecting all these parallel rays at a single point, and this point gets heated too much that paper burns. Paper starts to burn. It is paper, and this point is acting like image of sun. What is actually going here? Sun, which is at infinity, so the rays which are coming from sun are parallel to each other. When these rays which are parallel to each other falls on the surface of a convex lens, they get concentrated at a single point, forming the image of a sun. It means all the rays coming from the sun gets collecting at a single point, due to which its heat, its temperature rises. So paper starts to burn. There becomes a hole at this section. It shows converging nature of convex lens. So what is the step number 1? Keep paper on ground. In open where sufficient sunlight is available. Okay. Now hold convex lens paper and try to focus the sun. Adjust the position of lens away from piece of paper such that image of sun is formed on paper, which is very small, highly diminished point size image of sun is formed. Now hold the lens in same position. What will you observe? You will observe that temperature of paper rises. Why rises? Due to collection of all the heat rays at this point, temperature of paper rises, and finally there becomes a hole. It means paper burns at this position. Why? What is the conclusion of this activity? Dear students, what is the reason why there is a hole? Because paper burn. Why paper burn? Because heat radiation is coming from sun. Heat and light it was. Heat radiation coming from sun got concentrated at a point when they pass through a lens. Which lens we are using? Convex lens. So it is showing converging nature of our convex lens. So what was our aim? It is clear to you. Aim was convex lens is a converging glass. What is our conclusion? Temperature rises too much, hole occurs, showing the converging nature. So it's all about today's activity. So in next video I will teach you image formation using convex lens. Till then, goodbye.